Legends have always surrounded the world's most extraordinary motor cars. In the 1950s, Rolls-Royce produced a car that was so well engineered that the loudest thing you could hear at 60 miles an hour was the ticking of the clock. In the 21st century, the benchmarks are a little higher, so can a car with supercar performance still possess that legendary Rolls-Royce hush?
"60 miles an hour in 4.7 seconds, a lovely growl from the engine, and then everything's quiet.
The quiet inside a Rolls-Royce Ghost isn't just about sound levels, it's about sound quality. A buzzing mosquito may not be loud, but it is annoying. The interior of a Rolls-Royce has been designed so that conversation should always be effortless.
On the bends, the car's beautifully poised, and then when you ask for it, the power's there as well on the straights. So even at 140 miles an hour on a racetrack, there's no need for me to raise my voice. It's simply amazing.